Hey guys, so today is a part 2 to my last video of these little gingerbread men, women, whatever you want to call them. So these cured for 4 days. They don't need to cure that long. I just decided that that's what I wanted to do. So what I'm going to use them for is, as you can see, some garland. So all you needed to do, obviously, just poke some holes in these. And then you're going to need some of this ribbon. It was 50 cents from Walmart. It's just regular, what does it say? Spool ribbon. I don't know. It's like the thinner ribbon. And so all you do is string it through. I mean, it's that easy. The only thing I like is I like to cut the ends of this because I don't like how it looks messy. So let me do that. But this is basically the finished product. So this is what you get. Like I suggested in the last video, make sure you poke the holes through before you bake these, because I had a hell of a time trying to get these to go through, and I actually cracked. If you can see, I actually cracked some of them because I should have just poked the holes in first, but I was distracted at the time. So, but this is a finished product. I have a garland I made here, as you can see. So I used the same ribbon, and yeah, so that's how everything turned out. And then this guy I really like. I wish I would have did more like this, but I didn't. So if you have any questions about this, leave it in the comment box. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm going to have many more seasonal videos. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.